Hello friends, warm welcome to my channel Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. Hope you are doing well and keeping safe. I am here with a new video and today's topic is how to use WhatsApp on your computer. Before starting today's tutorial, I would like to share one thing. Due to my privacy, I am not sharing my screen with you. So today's tutorial is totally audio based tutorial and specially made for blind and visually impaired persons. If you are not a blind or visually impaired person, then you can skip this video. So further any delay, let's get started.
This content is brought you by Accessible Computing. Access to technology with accessibility. Visit accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com for more technology enhancements.
Subscribe now to be a part of our technology.
Hit the bell button for my future podcast.
There are two ways with the help of which you can use WhatsApp on your computer. First way, you can download the setup file, Windows setup file of WhatsApp for computer, or you can directly access your WhatsApp account through web.whatsapp.com. Before doing anything, you have to do one settings from your phone. Now you have to link your device, right? So I am showing you how to link your device. I have already opened my WhatsApp business account. By the way, these methods are same for WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. I hope you can listen my talkbacks sound. Click on more options. There is an option called link devices. So click on link devices. Here you can find what are the devices which is already linked. Then you have to click link a device, or if you have already some devices, then below that you can see Google Chrome, link a device. So I'm clicking link a device. Okay, so here WhatsApp is recommending you to connect your Wi-Fi, but if you want, you can use your cellular data. So just click on cancel. Use mobile data. Just click on use mobile data. I'm clicking. So now you have to go to your browser and open web.whatsapp.com. There you will get a QR code which you have to scan through your phone right now. So to do this procedure, you may need help of any sighted assistant. After that, it will automatically connected and you can use your WhatsApp from web.whatsapp.com. Now I am opening my WhatsApp.
Taskbar, new tab, Google Chrome, toolbar, address and search.
I'm opening Google Chrome. Now I'm typing here web.whatsapp.com.
unselected, web.unselect, selection, WhatsApp web, graphic to get missing image descriptions, open the context menu, clickable or messages are downloading, downloading.
Your messages are downloading. Now remember, this is a web application. So you have to use tab and shift tab key to navigate. You can also use up and down arrow key, but you can face some inaccessibility. Though WhatsApp has some inaccessibility, web.whatsapp.com has some inaccessibility, but still I can try to show you how can you make it accessible for you. If you have any queries, you can ask in the Telegram group or you can comment into the comment section. Now I'm pressing tab.
Edit multi-line blank.
What's this?
Chat list table, global champion, party popper,
It's chat list. So I am pressing tab 2 times, you will get chat list. Here you can browse whatever chats you have. All the chat list is here. To move between the chat list, you have to use up and down arrow key. I'm pressing down arrow here.
Vestige business training 04/11/2021 candle. Good morning,
this
candle.
This is another chat. I'm pressing down arrow again.
Plus 9170,014 68,704 7:35 p.m. audio row.
This is another chat.
Star CSE friends star 7:31 p.m. plus 9185,069
This is another chat. Okay. Now, you cannot understand what the chat is. Either the chat is with anyone, a personal chat, or it is a group chat or a broadcast. You can't understand. So you have to remember the name, the group name, the broadcast name to understand or to make the difference between groups and broadcasts. Now, I want to enter or I want to send a message, right? So I'm going to one chat.
Geo-associated VMP Techno Access Admin Group of .d Love Market Digital Accessible Tech Accessibility 4:46 p.m.
I'm pressing down arrow. Okay.
Nap Delhi 3:37 p.m. CSE batch screen of Delhi profile landmark back button disappearing messages heading level 1 new disappearing message.
Okay. So this is the inaccessibility. When I'm pressing down arrow, you can listen a beep sound of NVDA. It's a very bad inaccessibility. I'm pressing shift tab.
Chat list table landmarks.
Okay, I have to press
chat list table profile picture disappearing messages on landmarks menu button menu. Sir, chat list table profile. RCGF Surya alumni 10:14 a.m. plus 91.
I'm pressing down arrow again. You have to try, okay? You have to try with tab and shift tab key.
Eru Basak 10:05 Rhythm Mondal Cyber Indi Shuvali Astani 8:59 Rakab 8:59 Imran Hussein Beat Jamili 8:59 a.m. We either make ourselves miserable. Shaheen Alam 8:59 Partho Mistry 8:59 a.m. We Shaheen Alam 8:59 a.m. We either make ourselves miserable. Or Partho Mistry 8:59 a.m. We either Faraj Khan 8:59 a.m. Vivek Agarwal 8:59 plus 9162 8 Babu Daz 8:15 Basila Saha 8:50 Amit Singh 8:15 plus 9162 9 Tapan Bhattacharya 8 plus 9 Amit Asik Bab plus 9 Vivek Agar Faraj Khan Partho Mist Shaheen Alam Jamili 8 Imran Hussein Rakab 8 Shuvali Astani Rhythm Mondal Eru Basak RCGF Surya Alam.
I'm pressing up
Profile
arrow.
pic CSE batch free Nap Delhi free Tech Accessibility Digital Accessible Love Market .d Set Admin Group of LM Techno Access Bank VMPL 7 Geo Associated Art Star CSE Friend plus 91.7 Vestige Business Global Champion Party Vestige Bit plus 9170,014 68,007 Vestige Business Training 04/11/2021 Candle Good Morning Candle Row.
This is the group, okay? Vestige Business Trading. This is a training group. So I want to send a message in this group. Now I'm pressing enter here.
Landmark type a message edit multi-line blank.
It will automatically move your focus to the type your message. So now I'm type hello, how are you all?
Hello. A space. How are you all?
Because this is a group, if you want to type, if you want to chat with your friend, then you can just type hi, how are you, like this. Now, how to send? If I press enter, it will send. If I press control enter, it will add a new line. Okay. So I'm pressing enter key. Now you cannot understand that message will go or not. So to check this, you have to press escape key once, up arrow.
Out of edit type a message, button attached, button open sticker, button open diff panel, button open images panel, button close to message list, press right arrow key on the hello, how are you all?
Hello, how are you all?
You. Today, button, clickable 9:55 a.m. graphic candle, good morning graphic candle.
Candle, good morning. This is the previous message. I'm pressing down arrow.
9:55 button, today, you. Hello, how are you all?
Okay, so the message was sent.
Button 7:45 p.m. sent.
Yeah, 7:45 p.m. sent. Right? When it will be delivered, then you can see here delivered. When it will be seen, you can see seen. Okay. Now I want to search. Okay. So I'm pressing tab.
Edit multi-line blank.
Yeah, this is the search option.
Out of edit search or start new chat.
Search or start a new chat. Just I have pressed escape once, then press down arrow to listen the level of the edit box. I'm pressing down arrow.
Edit multi-line.
Edit multi-line. So I'm typing
12.
one of my friend's name, Ashakul.
8SA.
I'm pressing tab.
Ashakul. Edit multi-line blank. Edit focus chat list table. Vestige business training set. Edit multi-line blank. Landmark. Type of edit multi-line blank.
I have typed in the wrong place, so I'm typing again. I'm pressing tab.
Ashakul search results table. Ashakul Golder 8:59 a.m. We either make ourselves miserable or we make ourselves strong.
Yeah. What NVDA says, search results Ashakul. Right? So we can get directly to the Ashakul's chat. Press enter to go to the chat.
Landmark. Type a message edit multi-line blank.
Now I am just sending a voice message. Okay. Let's see. I'm pressing tab.
Voice message button.
Now I'm pressing enter and start recording. And I leave enter. I think it will go.
Web.
Hello. Something. Okay.
Web.whatsapp.com wants to use your microphone dialog. Use your microphone.
Okay. So this is my first time. So that's why web.whatsapp.com wants to use my microphone. So I have to allow the permission.
Close button. Allow button 1 of 2.
allow,
Block button 2 of 2.
block, so
Allow
I'm
button 1.
allowing.
12. WhatsApp Google Chrome. Cancel button focused. Type a message edit mode. Cancel button.
I'm pressing cancel button.
Type a message edit multi-line blank. Voice message button.
Now I am sending voice message. Okay, so I'm clicking here. I am on voice message focused. Now I'm pressing enter and start to recording. After pressing enter the voice message button, you have to record. Just I'm recording something.
Cancel button.
Hello Ashakul, this is a demo. I'm sending this voice message by using WhatsApp web. Thank you.
Send button. Type a message edit multi-line blank.
So I have sent. Now let me check.
Out of edit. Type a message. Type a message. Button attach.
Button attach. I'm pressing right out up arrow.
Button open. Button open. Button close message list. Press
Actually, you can face quite inaccessibility while using WhatsApp web.
slider 0 o'clock / 0 voice message.
Yeah, slider 0 o'clock.
Slider 0 o'clock / 0:10.
So I'm listening my voice message here in.
Message list. Press right arrow key.
Sorry.
Slider 0 o'clock / you play voice message 001 / 010.
Yes, play voice message. I'm pressing enter here. Hello Ashakul, this is a demo. I'm sending this voice message by using WhatsApp web. Thank you. Yeah, so I can send the demo.
We either make ourselves a day. We same you today button. Button join group. 12:02 p.m.
So with this you can send any voice message or any type message. Now I am going to show you how can you attach anything. So I'm going to
Landmark type a message.
Pressing up arrow.
Out of edit type a message. Type a message. Button attach.
Attach button. So I'm pressing enter here.
Type a message edit multi-line blank.
Again our focus moved to edit box. So I'm pressing escape. Pressing up arrow.
Out of edit type a message. Type a message. List with 5 items. Clickable button.
Clickable button. All buttons are clickable, but all buttons are not labeled. Okay, I'm
clickable button. Clickable button. Out of list button attach.
Okay, so button attach, below button attach, you will get 4 to 5 buttons. You can try by clicking one by one. I'm telling you.
List with 5 items. Clickable button.
First button is specially sent for photos. How to check? I'm clicking here.
Type a message. Open dialog. Select a file to preview. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit.
It's a standard open dialog box. Okay. I'm pressing tab. Listen carefully.
Files of type. Combo box. Customized files. Star.tif. Star.pjp. Star.xdm. Star.jxl. Star.svgz. Star.jpg. Star.spec. Star.ico. Star.tif. Star.pif. Star.svg. Star.fif. Star.web. Star.png. Star.bmp. Star.spec. Star.vif. Star.m4v. Star.mp4. Star.3gpp. Star.mov. Collapse. Alt plus T.
I'm pressing escape.
12. WhatsApp Google.
So when you listen the file type, you can understand what type of file you can send from here. From the first unlabeled button, you can send photos, images, or videos, or GIFs. Okay, I'm pressing tab. Sorry, I'm pressing down arrow. Okay, I'm pressing shift tab.
Attach button attach. Button open sticker panel. Button attach.
Okay.
List with 5 items. Clickable button.
Clickable button. Now second button.
Clickable button.
I don't know second button, but I'm just clicking.
Allow camera to take photos. WhatsApp needs access to your computer's camera.
Okay. So if you wish to send directly photos by capturing from your webcam or camera, then you have to use this option.
A landmark.
Pressing escape key.
Out of edit type button. Button open image. Button close panel. Message list. Press right arrow. Out of region landmark. Button open. Button attach.
Okay. So
type a message. Button attach.
Attach button has been closed, so I'm opening it. I'm pressing enter here.
Type a message edit multi-line blank. Out of edit type a list with clickable button. Out of list button attach. List with 5 items. Clickable button.
First button is photos, images, GIFs and videos.
Clickable
Second button is cameras, right? Third button is any file. It's a attach button like document. Okay, so I'm just clicking
clickable button. Open dialog. Select a file to preview. File name.
Pressing tab once.
Files of type. Combo box. All files. Star. Collapse. Alt plus T.
All files star. You can send any files up to 100 MB. Okay, through your WhatsApp web. Okay.
12. WhatsApp.
So this is the way we can send attachments. We can send files through WhatsApp. Remember, there are some inaccessibility, like we cannot create group, we cannot edit groups. Okay, we can search names, we cannot give the status with the help of WhatsApp web. Now I am trying to send a photo. Okay.
Voice message. Type attach button attach.
I'm
button
showing
open
you.
button type a message. Button attach. Type a message. Out of it type list with clickable. Out of list button attach. List with 5 items. Clickable button.
clickable button. First button is photos. I'm clicking here.
Open.
I'm choosing the photo.
Items view preview level 2 software. Items view list. Insta update.mp4 nuts. Items view logo accessiblecomputing.jp01
So I want to send our logo, right? So this is the file. I'm pressing enter here.
12 WhatsApp edit multi-line blank.
Now I'm pressing Ctrl plus home because you have to go to the top.
Out of edit. Get notified of new messages. Turn on the new chat list. Use
I'm pressing down arrow.
arrow key on the open sticker panel. Attack clickable. Button emoji. Button sticker. Button text. Button paint. Button crop and rotate. Button unavailable undo. Button unavailable redo.
Yeah.
Type a message. Edit multi-line. Out of edit button. Toggle button not pressed. Clickable button. Graphic preview.
Clickable
Button
button.
add file.
Button add file.
Button.
This button.
Landmark clickable button. Button add file.
After add file,
Button.
this button is used to send. So if you wish to send, you have to click on this button. If you want to add text, so I'm going to top again.
Get notified of new chat arrow key open stick clickable. Button emoji. Buttons button text. Button sticker.
Button sticker,
Button
button text. If you want to add text, you can add.
Button paint. Button crop button unavailable. Button unavailable. Type a message. Edit multi-line. Out of edit button.
If you don't want,
Toggle button
then
not clickable. But graphic preview. Button add file. Button.
this button.
Button add file.
Button add file. Press down arrow once.
Button.
Button. So to move these buttons after touching, you have to use up and down arrow keys. Okay. So actually you have to use both shift tab and tab keys and up and down arrow keys.
Button add button.
So I'm clicking this button.
Landmark. Type a message. Edit multi-line blank.
Now see.
Out of edit. Type a message. Button attached. Button opens. Button open gift path. Button open images. Button close message list. Clickable button 7:55 button. U. Button 7:14 slider 0 o'clock slash 0 buttons U. Clickable button.
Clickable button.
U. Clickable button.
It's not showing or it's not telling that you sent photo or something like this.
Button 7:55 p.m. sent.
7:55 p.m. Okay. So in this way you can send any type of files.
Button U. Button slide voice. Button play voice. Button 8 good morning.
Now I'm telling you
Blank.
how to download any attachment or any.
We eat you. Same. Good morning. We eat or make ourselves.
Just let me search.
Today. Button. Button join group. Button. Button 12 link HT. Clickable WhatsApp group invite.
So to download any attached file like MP3 or PDF file, you have to press enter on it and the standard download dialog box or standard save dialog box will open. You can save it at the anywhere of your computer. Okay, so in this way you can download any attachment. I'm not showing you because I'm not able to find any document. Okay, so this is the way, this is the total overview of using WhatsApp web. Another way is to install the application. Today I'm not telling you, but if you want, I can make a different video to describe how to use WhatsApp desktop application. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button and please share your important opinion into the comment section. I will see, and if you have any doubts, I'll definitely reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe our Telegram channel and don't forget to join our Telegram official group where you can get some tech updates, some applications, important accessibility announcements or updates, whatever. Also you can send your queries and our group members will try to resolve it as early as possible. Okay, so that's it for today. We will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.